Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore animation easing in After Effects to Web UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore animation easing in After Effects for your Web UI, begin by opening your composition. Select the layer you want to animate from the timeline. Next, go to the keyframes you previously added for the animation. Right-click on the first keyframe and choose Keyframe Assistant. From the drop-down menu, select Easy Ease. Now, move to the last keyframe in your animation. Again, right-click and select Keyframe Assistant, followed by Easy Ease. To fine-tune your easing, open the Graph Editor by clicking on the graph icon in the timeline panel. In the Graph Editor, ensure you are viewing the speed graph for better control over your animation. Select the keyframes you want to adjust. You will see handles that determine the easing. Adjust these handles to create a smoother transition between keyframes. For more precise control, try switching to the value graph. From here, you can visualize the values changing over time and make necessary adjustments. Once satisfied with the easing, close the Graph Editor by clicking on the icon again. Preview your animation by hitting the spacebar to see how the easing influences the overall motion. If further tweaks are needed, revisit the Graph Editor and adjust accordingly. Save your project once you are happy with the modifications. This will ensure that your animation flows naturally, enhancing the user experience in your Web UI. Congratulations, you've restored animation easing in After Effects successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.